How are these going, mate? Looks like a few squiggly ticks. Your last effort's mainly normal ticks.
Yeah.
All right, just for the audience, this is Kilpatrick's Equipped for Reading Success 1 minute phonological awareness activities. So I use these with kids sometimes at the beginning instead of the alphabet work. Okay, can you say arc?
Arc.
Instead of k, say ch.
Arch.
Good. Say bulk.
Bulk.
Instead of k, say b.
Bulk. Bowl.
Good. Say therm.
Therm.
Instead of say d.
Third.
You're going all right, Maddie, with this. Yeah. So you realise you're swapping a consonant sound on the end?
Yep.
Yeah, good. Say mart.
Mart.
Instead of t, say k.
Mark.
Good. Say elk.
Elk.
Instead of k, say s.
Elk.
Get elk on your fingers, mate, going from that way to that way. Elk.
Elk.
Right. Instead of k, say s.
Else.
Else. Well done. Good use of the fingers. Say earn.
Earn.
Instead of n, say th.
Earth.
Good. Say dark.
Dark.
Instead of k, say t.
Dart.
I once threw a dart at a mate's head accidentally and it got stuck in there. Anyway, it's just a story for you. Say squirm.
Square.
Instead of say t.
Squirt.
Good.
Okay, this time we're doing some rhyming. I'm going to say a word. It's actually a part of your body. I'm going to point to it. I'm going to say it wrong. You're going to have to fix it up. Rhyming ones. You ready? First one. Z.
Not Z. Hey.
Deet.
Not deet. Feet.
Fingers.
Not fingers. Fingers.
Hands.
Not hands. Hands.
Palms.
Not palms. Arms.
Okay, this time I'm going to say a word. You're going to say the word and you're going to tell me the beginning sound. What are you going to tell me?
The beginning sound.
Beginning sound or beginning phoning. First one. Hand.
Hand.
Can't.
Can't.
Many.
Many.
Fight.
Fight.
Right, this time I'm going to give you 2 words. 1, 2. You're going to say the 2 words. 1, 2. Then what are you going to do?
Letter.
Together. I say first one. Notebook.
Notebook. Notebook.
Snow. Plough.
Snow cloud. Snow cloud.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Grasshopper.
This time I'm going to say a word and you're going to listen for the ending sound. The ending phoneme. What are you listening for, Jordan?
Ending.
The ending sound. Make eyes go this way, please. First one. Goes.
Goes.
Tub.
Tub.
Fed.
Fed.
Loaf.
Loaf.
Right, this time I'm going to say a word. I'm going to change the beginning sound for a new word. I'm going to put a word together. Your first one is pillowcase.
Pillowcase.
Change pillow for book.
Bookcase.
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Change down for up.
Upstairs.
Firefly.
Firefly.
Change fire for butter.
Butterfly.
Right, this time I'm going to say a sentence. You're going to say a sentence and then we're going to clap the words. Make sure your eyes are on me, Emily. I'm going to do that, please. I'm good at school.
I am at school. I am good at school.
Can your bike go fast?
Can your bike go fast? Can your bike go fast?
Please sit down.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Let's do that one again.
Please sit down.
Good girl. My school is a great place.
My school is a great place. My school is a great place.
Ready, go.
N-U-King-E.
Add an op. Add an at. Add an up. Beautiful. First one is hat. Are you ready? What word?
Hat.
Hat. Next one is full. What word?
Full. Full.
Next one is milk.
Milk.
That one's tricky. Let's do that one again. What word? Milk.
Milk.
Next one is drill. drill. What word?
Drill.
Beautiful. Back on your bottom.
All right, we're going to move on to the questions now. We have the 4 questions. Now remember, we have 3 rows now, so have your finger ready because I'm not going to repeat what row it's in. All right, in the first row, point to the word with 2 syllables. Who can tell me what the syllables are? Tell me what a syllable is.
Sound in a word.
Oh, good try. It's a beat in a word. Excellent. So, tell me the word.
Hopscotch.
Emily?
Hopscotch.
Right. Now tell me the 2 parts of that word.
Hopscotch.
Excellent. So we've got hop and scotch. Well done.
Okay, a syllable. What's a syllable?
Clapping a word with a vowel.
A clap in a word with a vowel phoneme. I like your technical use of language. Excellent. How many syllables in Rachel?
Oh.
I think you might be trying to count sounds or phonemes. Yeah, you're counting sounds. I just want beats in Rachel. Rachel. How many syllables?
2.
Good. How many syllables in iPad?
2.
Good. How many syllables in supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
I know.
Count on your fingers. I know it's 14. Ready? Then we'll make marks. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
14.
Yeah, there you go. So if anyone ever asks you how many syllables in supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, you'll know. Okay, now I'm going to point to some of these words, not all of them. I'm going to get you to read what they would be with a k sound in them. What about that one there?
Oh. Scan.
Good phonological work. Yeah, scan. You had to put a k sound in there. What about that one?
Clang.
Beautiful. What about that? Or do you want to have a go at a 2-syllable one? Now you and I aren't up to 2 syllables. You want to have a crack?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here's a 2-syllable word just here. Oh, how about I just muck everything up?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Now, should we just read it 1 syllable at a time?
No.
Or you go for it? Go for it.
Contact.
You did not just read that.